I've not seen the boring fields in so long. I know I've grown, but I can't wait to go home.
Hey guys, my name is JD Furious. Welcome back to another reaction video, and today we are reacting to Bowser Jr.'s fireworks. So I was going through YouTube. I was trying to like find something 4th of July related. Alright, like happy 4th of July and whatnot. I don't have a 4th of July hat. I had an American hat, but I don't know where it is, so this is all I got for now. But yeah, so I tried to find something 4th of July related, and this was like the one thing I saw that seemed interesting to y'all, or something y'all would watch and something I would watch. So yeah, I hope y'all liked the video. Also, I hope you enjoyed that intro that I used for 4th of July. It's exclusive to only 4th of July. My other intro is still in there. But yeah, hope y'all liked the video. Subscribe, like, and comment to SML, SLL, and myself. And yeah, let's get right into the video. He's already ready. He got full-on American.
Sunday's 4th of July, Independence Day.
Yeah, it's 4th of July, but why are you sitting in your underwear?
Yeah.
Because it is my right as an American citizen to sit here in my underpants and spit on Nazis all day.
Spit on Nazis all day? Grandpa, the Nazis
I
don't
mean,
exist.
he's not wrong, but like the Nazi part, I don't know about that.
Grandpa, just calm down. Just please put some clothes on. We have a 4th of July party coming in. People are coming over. They don't want to see that.
No, I want them to see it so that they know that I have the right to do this.
I have the
You
right
have the right to do it, but just
to go half
Look,
naked.
here's a remote. Look, just watch some TV.
Okay.
Watch some TV, and just don't get in the way, please.
Okay.
Bro, why don't you tell him? Why don't you put his shirt back on for him? Feel like he's drunk.
Ain't nothing to watch on TV. No. No.
Nothing's even coming on TV, Grandpa.
Damn Obama's new cable rules.
Wow. No one takes a nap like that. He's like, oh wait, he's like dabbing too though.
Oh, dude, no problem.
Yeah, my parents are Jewish. I don't usually get to celebrate 4th of July.
Oh.
Yeah, I know. I'm poor, so.
Anyway, let's watch some TV, guys.
Junior, who's this old guy?
Oh, that's Mario's grandpa.
Is he dead?
No, he just sleeping.
Some guy that we live with because our house burnt down, remember? Yeah. Anyway, let's watch TV. I heard Monster Trucks is on.
Oh, Monster Trucks.
Yeah, let's watch it. Wait, what channel is it?
Hey, all you Americans! Do you love your country and hate those stupid Nazis?
I mean-
Celebrate it with some explosive fireworks! We only sell the biggest and most dangerous fireworks!
That's
So come in and
dangerous.
get some fireworks today!
Must be 18 or older.
Fireworks, guys!
Yeah, cool, dude.
Bro, that's the point of 4th of July.
To make big explosions, we have to get some.
Yeah.
We have to get some.
They look awesome.
They look kind of dangerous, guys.
What?
Wait, it never even showed the actual
Cody,
fireworks.
they look cool, right?
Yeah, yes.
I don't care if they're dangerous. They're awesome. We have to buy some.
Yeah, we have to get them.
But you have to be 18 to buy some, Junior.
18 schmeighteen. We have Chef Pee-Pee, and he'll buy us whatever we want, right?
Yeah.
Bro, he ain't y'all like slave.
Wait, yes?
No.
Oh, Chef Pee-Pee, me and my friends really want to play with fireworks.
I don't care. Fireworks are dangerous.
Bro, look at him. He's like poor.
I'm
He
not
can't do
playing.
anything
I'm
for
not playing
himself.
fireworks, please.
No, they're dangerous.
You should be lucky he's cooking for y'all.
That's dumb. I really want fireworks, please.
No. You know what? I think Mario might have some type of fireworks.
Really?
Yeah. Look, pop this.
What's popping?
Pop. It's like those things you throw on the ground.
You throw them on the ground and just boom, explosion.
Really?
Yeah, it's like huge explosion. It's gonna make you happy.
All right, guys, look, we got this. Let's go.
Oh my god, this kid's so like.
All right, guys, let's see what these things
So
can do.
going.
Dude.
All right, so how do I use them?
I think you pick one up and you just like throw it on the ground and it pops.
All right.
You can't throw on a soft
Do
ground.
anything. That's stupid.
That sucks. I guess you gotta throw it at a harder surface.
Like
throw it at the wall.
Like the wall? Yeah,
Yeah.
let's throw it at the wall.
Yeah, throw it. Throw it harder. I got it this time.
All right.
The Nazis we got incoming.
Grandpa,
The Nazis, I'm
go
gonna
back to
spit
sleep.
on
Stop talking about your Nazis, guy.
Wait,
What is a Nazi?
the nuts? These things are cool.
Yeah.
Just don't throw them at each other.
Got it.
Whoa! They teach me how to do it. Whoa! Hey, let's go throw these at Chef Pee-Pee.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Wow,
Okay, Chef
y'all are
Pee-Pee, I just need you to
dangerous.
Make a couple sandwiches, all right?
Okay, I can do that for you, Mario.
All right.
I gotta open up this bag of bread first.
What? What is this?
Damn it, you!
Bro, the table's not even that
You
big.
smell.
I mean, to y'all it is, but
Why did you have to throw those stupid poppers at me? You could have caught me on fire.
Well, I'm a stupid baby. That's all I heard from you.
What? Look. You're gonna give me those poppers right now.
No, I'm gonna throw them at you tomorrow, right, guys?
Yeah.
Look, just stop. Just give me the poppers right now. How about we strike a deal, okay? How about
extract.
Deal.
I got some sparklers. I give you the sparklers for those stupid poppers.
Wait, what are sparklers?
I don't know.
They're like little
they're
fireworks, man.
sparkly things that just like when you light them on fire, they just sparkle and make fire things, explosions, stuff like that.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool.
All right, show me them before I make the trade.
Junior, you are
hold on.
so
I
goddamn
don't know if we
right.
should trust them.
I don't know.
Here it is, sparklers. See, it's right here. It says caution, flammable. So make sure that you're very safe with it.
You shouldn't be
Alright,
saying
but
that
I'm
it's caution
gonna light 'em with
flammable.
you,
There's
'cause I
gonna
don't
be
really
a,
trust you.
there's gonna
All right, well,
put
we
fire on
the
everything.
box is empty anyway.
What?
So what happens now, Chef Pee-Pee?
It's gonna light up. Just give it time.
Okay, this
Unless
is
it's
dumb.
infected. Okay, there.
Whoa!
Oh, man.
Hey, mine didn't light, Chef Pee-Pee.
Oh, sucks for you. Dang, I drank the matches. Oh, okay, now it's lit.
Guys, there's fire.
Whoa, this is really cool.
Yeah, are you excited now?
Let's all poke Chef Pee-Pee with it.
What? No,
I don't know. You're trying to kill this man.
Baby.
Guys, this is scary. There's fire.
This is dumb. It's not really doing anything. Let's sword fight, Joseph.
No, dude. I better beat you.
No, I better beat you more.
Are you gonna make me draw mine?
Then we'll
It's
just
dangerous, guys.
Shut up, Cody. I'm
Aw, that's gay. Mine burned down.
That's gay.
still going though.
Well, that's because mine was stupid and... How y'all keep going?
I don't know. Okay.
This is kind of lame, Junior. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
I want the big fireworks that we saw on TV.
Yeah.
I have a plan on how we can get those guys.
How?
Come on.
Wait, y'all gonna
Junior,
steal
how
a
we
debit
gonna get
card?
These big fireworks.
Yeah, you have to be 18 to buy them.
Well, I got a genius idea, okay?
What is it?
It's time to
Wait,
pull
guys,
out
I'll be right. Alright, guys, I'm back. I had to do some.
ashes.
What are you talking about?
Guys, just come with me. I have the perfect plan.
Okay then.
All right, guys, let's go.
I don't know, Junior.
Mustaches
I don't think this is gonna work.
don't
is
do
kinda
crap.
risky,
Y'all
Junior.
still
It's
small.
gonna work. I told the guy that we're a bunch of adults looking for heavy artillery fireworks.
Bro, you have
We
a bib.
mustaches. We look like adults.
Yeah,
You look like you're wearing pajamas.
It's definitely professional.
Joseph, you're
Hey, Cody,
fine.
Where's Ken?
Oh, he said he was gonna stay home because it's too risky.
Too risky. He's a doll.
Wait, do you know what they do to guys like him in prison, Joseph?
Are you serious?
Shut up.
no.
Get on your A game, all right? Look, the guy's over there by his car.
Okay.
Act like adults. I'm an adult.
Dad doesn't.
Hey there, mister.
Hey, you guys cops?
Never.
Bro, you're not
Cops, no.
selling drugs.
We're just
Do you
a bunch
want-
of guys with our mustaches. Yeah.
Yeah, I like your mustache.
Yeah. We put them on ourselves. I mean, we grew them ourselves.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm a mustache man myself, yeah.
Yeah. So you got any of the works?
Oh,
The
we have some
works.
serious hardware under here.
Oh, show it to me.
Take a look.
It's fireworks.
Those rockets.
Dude, those are you.
This ain't
High
drugs.
quality artillery imported straight from China.
Whoa.
Ported
I want to
straight
take
from
them. What are we
China.
gonna have? Do they make big explosions?
Oh, they make the biggest explosions.
Whoa. Oh, hey, Joseph, start grabbing them. Yeah, we'll take them. We'll take them.
Okay. Well, that's gonna be about $50.
$50?
Yeah.
We don't have any money, mister.
What?
No,
You don't have any money at all.
no.
What is the point of coming out here? Like, you were just gonna just steal fireworks? This was a high-risk job I just pulled here. You know, these are very illegal.
Oh.
I smuggled them in my trunk for about a week. No, you need to pay me something for
Oh
my
my
work.
god.
But I didn't know we needed to pay. We're cops.
But what?
We're cops, and we're taking this as evidence.
That's not fireworks. That's candy.
Whoa, guys, I
Free.
can't believe that actually
How does
worked.
that work?
So awesome.
They don't have like a
Mustaches
gun or
are real,
anything.
didn't they?
You could have fought
All
them.
right, so we have a rocket. So what do we do?
Oh, well, we light it, duh.
All right, light it. It's gonna make a big explosion. Light it.
The guy gave me some matches.
All right, come on, light it. Light it.
Okay.
Whoa. What do we do? I don't know. Just
Blast off.
Yeah, this is. Whoa! Whoa, that was a big explosion. That was cool. Whoa!
But I wish we had something to strap onto it.
Yeah, wouldn't it be cool if we like put something on it and it blew up?
Yeah. Well, we do have.
We do have Ken. Let's ask Cody.
Yeah.
Wasn't that explosion beautiful, Ken?
Hey, Cody.
Hey guys.
How's it going?
It's pretty good.
Well, we have another rocket, and we want to know if Ken wanted to go to Mars.
He could be the first one to Mars.
Yeah.
Ken's always wanted to go to Mars. He's already.
Bro, why y'all all
He's
so
an astronaut?
gullible?
Well, even better. So we can strap him to a rocket.
I don't know, you guys. The last one exploded.
Well, that one was like the challenge.
Don't worry, Ken ain't gonna die.
Yeah.
That one exploded too, Junior.
He has a low probability of dying.
Well, I guess if you guys think it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Just give us Ken, and we're gonna strap him on the back of the rocket. Come on, Ken. Come on.
Good luck, Ken.
It's weird the fact that they can
All right,
legit just
so Ken looks like
levitate.
he's ready to go to Mars, right, guys?
Ken, please be safe.
He's
and
gonna
protect
burn
the
like
aliens.
while he's in there.
Cody, just hurry up and say your final goodbyes.
Okay, Ken, call me every day that you're on Mars, and if you run out of oxygen... Wait, he doesn't have any oxygen.
Oh,
cares?
don't worry, Mars has oxygen.
He said, who cares?
Light it.
Just
Be
freak him.
safe, Ken.
Ken's about to go.
Goodbye, Ken. I hope you have a good trip.
Here he goes to Mars.
Have fun.
Is he gone?
Oh,
Is he actually gone? That'd be. I mean, he's not gone, of course, but like, where'd he go?
He might be dead, you guys.
He's probably not dead.
Yeah, I'm sure he's dead.
Shut up. I don't think he's dead.
Why, Ken?
No, Cody, calm down. Calm down. Maybe he's not dead. Maybe he's not dead. Cody.
That is not how you cry, man. That's coughing.
No, I mean, I didn't know he was gonna blow up. I thought
That's
maybe.
coughing.
What? Hey, look down there, Cody. Ken? What?
He's alive.
Wait, what are those rocks from?
Ken says those are rocks from Mars.
From Mars?
He went to Mars.
Bruh, we saw him.
We saw him blow up.
This can't be serious. Are you
We
serious?
just saw him blow up.
Ken, you must have so many stories.
What stories? He wasn't there for like.
That's
He was there for like 3 minutes.
Something burning?
Yeah,
What's that smell?
That's what y'all get.
It must have been from the fireworks. Let's leave.
Teach those Nazis a lesson.
Grandpa, the fireworks are about to start on TV.
Hey, Mario, where the Kool-Aid is?
It's in the kitchen. Show people made it. Go get some.
All
right, guys. I can't believe we're gonna spend time together as a family and watch, fireworks on TV.
Why don't we just pop the fireworks ourselves?
Well, because I don't have any.
Look, no, we're not gonna do that, Bowser. Not again. Not after last year.
Oh. Well, anyway, guys, come on. Let's just watch TV together. Wait. Hey, breaking news. A forest fire? Whoa,
That's crazy.
Whoa, I wonder where it happened. Oh, it happened to y'all kids. Wow, y'all don't even care. Yeah, so the SML question, like, if you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be and why? I'd live here just because I have a lot of memories here, and I have some good buds and whatnot, and college is here that I want to go to. But yeah, hope y'all liked the video. Subscribe, like, and comment to SML, SOL, and myself. This was a really good video. Happy 4th of July. I don't know if this will be the only video I'm gonna put out for 4th of July. Maybe not. I don't know. But yeah. Goodbye, my foe reactors, and also comment what you want me to react to down below. Now goodbye, my foe reactors.
Lately, I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. But baby, I've been praying hard.